All right, so ReceiptChain status updates. For those of you who don't know, ReceiptChain is an app that you use to track inventory and goods, all kinds of goods, anything that you would want to record history about. Um, so you have an inventory of all of your things, and then you can record information about those things. And um, then when you want to send that thing to somebody else, you can go ahead and send it. Um, you can send it by selecting the item. You can select the item that you want to send, and then once you send that thing to them, you scan their QR code, and once you send that thing to them, they become the new owner of that thing, and they're now the only person who can edit that data. And that is what that's what it's all about. It's about tracking metadata about objects, correlating that metadata to the objects themselves so that we can use uh, um, that linking between the digital object and the real object to create a sort of digital ownership record. So it all uses private and public keys on something called a blockchain. That I'm not going to talk about more right now, but it just makes it so it's a very secure way of transferring the permissions required to edit this data. It's all used public and private key encryption. That's all stored on the blockchain, and you have your own private keys and your own public keys. And this allows you to own data basically. So when you own the digital object, one might say that can mean that you own the physical object too, and maybe that's where the laws are going, hopefully. And that's what I work on every day is with this ReceiptChain, and you can use it now. And there's also a desktop version of it that you can put your entire store inventory on, and then when you sell things in your store, you can transfer those things to your customers in the store, and then they become the new owners of those things. So that is what ReceiptChain is about. And yesterday I was actually working on the paging for the public search. So there will be a public search where all the inventory can be sold if you want something to be public instead of private. You can put a price on it, and then other people can find it and make you offers and try and buy it from you. It's all in person right now, like more like Craigslist, or Let Go or OfferUp. But hopefully we'll have more shipping options and stuff like that soon, so people can arrange that. And also, as an added bonus, you can use Bitcoin and you can use Ethereum, and we'll add more payment systems so that you can receive cryptocurrency for payment for whatever your transactions are and whatever you're buying and selling. Um, so that's what it's all about. It's sort of like a crypto Craigslist for now, and also a way to track and save data about any physical objects in the world. And it's ReceiptChain, and I hope that people can find it useful. And I guess I'm going to get back to work on it.